Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. What's up, guys? Seth from Dark Waters Fly Shop here with my buddy Dylan. We're doing a scouting mission today to go see if we can find some brookies. I've got a stretch of river that's really high productivity, and so I just have to put the camera down for a second. We just passed a landmark that I didn't want you guys seeing. So basically the way this goes is we're gonna go in. We just got poured on, so we're gonna have a lot of high water, I think, and the fish might be completely put down, and the road that we're going in on might be washed out, and I forgot all the SD cards for my camera. So far, the makings for this day are just crazy. Hopefully nothing else goes wrong. I have one battery for my GoPro. This is all you get. So for those of you that are like, man, I wish that guy would talk less and just get on with the fishing, this might be one of your favorite videos. So we just got here and it started pouring again, but I have never in my life seen so many mosquitoes, ever in my life. This is my vehicle right now. Look at this. It is just swarming. Oh my gosh, my ceiling. I don't know what we're gonna do about this when we go to get out of here. This is the worst situation for mosquitoes I've ever seen in my life. Oh my goodness. My ceiling, there's gotta be 100 of them just on my ceiling. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is gonna stink so bad. All right, guys, this is probably our third one so far, fourth one. Dylan's got 2, that brought me up to 2. The mosquitoes out here are so bad. That's it, right there. Hopefully we're gonna show you guys some more. That screen will shut off shortly.
All right.
Oh my gosh, this is so brutal.
This is what a mosquito monsoon looks like.
We'll take another swing past them and see.
Oh man, I can't even keep it still.
Where are my fish? Set it down just a little bit farther here. Maybe under these trees. So when we're walking through this stuff, the bugs aren't that bad, but as soon as you stop, I've never, ever fished where the mosquitoes were this bad ever. This is crazy. I've probably killed 500 mosquitoes already, and you can't even get a cast in, and they're all over your hands, and yeah, this is ridiculous. We're not gonna be here much longer. We're gonna go down and fish a couple more good holes, and then we're out of here. I can't keep the mosquitoes off of my hand while I try to net this, or while I try to get this fish. Oh my goodness. You're in better shape than I am, buddy. At least you're not getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. All right, guys, we are waving the white flag. We are literally running for our lives from mosquitoes. I've never had it this bad before. I've never left a river because of mosquitoes. This is the first time, and I don't think I'm tapping out early, am I? No. Yeah, this has been brutal. I mean, even walking out, they're trying to attack my GoPro. That's how bad they are. We're admitting defeat. Leave me a comment. Tell me about your worst mosquito incident that you've ever had, and I'd like to hear about it. Maybe you guys will tell me I'm being a wuss about this, and I just need to get my act together and keep fishing. But the other thing is we forgot the bug dope at the car, so that doesn't help at all. All right, guys. If we get out of here alive, I'll post this video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. We're back to the vehicle. See if any of these things died while we were gone. Oh, quick, throw your rod in. You good? Oh, I hate to close all these bugs in my vehicle.